Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Discover Payroll card by phone, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick activation. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number provided on the sticker attached to your Discover Payroll card or in the welcome materials. Step 2. Have your payroll card ready with the card number clearly visible before making the call. Step 3. Call the Discover Payroll card activation phone number from any telephone. Step 4. Listen carefully to the automated system prompts and select the language you prefer. Step 5. Choose the option to activate a new card when presented with the menu choices. Step 6. Enter your full payroll card number when prompted using your phone's keypad. Step 7. Provide the security code or CVV from the back of your card and any additional verification information requested. Step 8. Listen for the confirmation message that your Discover Payroll card has been successfully activated. You can now use your card to access your wages through purchases, ATM withdrawals, or cashback at participating retailers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.